Almond milk in the Middle Ages and the Renaissance was a fancy treat and was hence refined with further ingredients. Recipes to make colored almond milk with herbs, flowers, saffron or red wine appear in several recipe collections, such as in the Liber Cure Cocorum from about 1430. Take unblanched almonds, wash them and grind, mix them with red wine that is so kind. I decided to prepare 3 kinds of almond milk: basil, saffron and red wine. You can add sugar during the process or keep the almond milk unsweetened, as I prefer to do.